Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. I don't ask you to buy anything from me. I don't sell you things. It's like that. Everything that you get from me on this channel, everything is for free. So the least that you can do for me is just to like the video so that I keep on sharing everything for free. If you are looking to download Forex robots, indicators, books, systems and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, if you are also looking for a good broker, the broker that I use, visit the link. It's in the description box below. Sign up with them. Minimum deposit is just $5, so you can basically do whatever you want to do. Test robots, test systems, everything that you want to do without risking too much. You probably know I'm not a big fan of using demo accounts. Okay, so today is actually the 18th of March. I was not sure if I should share with you this video of this trade. I always try not to share the trades that I take because I don't want to seem as if I am bragging. But sometimes I just want to motivate some of you guys to keep on pushing and doing. Find a plan, find something that you think works for you, and just keep on doing that same thing. So you already know how I trade zone to zone. Simple strategy, very simple. You can see where I entered my sales there. It's actually two sell trades that I entered in the morning. Right now it's in the afternoon. Yeah, as simple as that. So I'll just go ahead and manage this trade. You already know how I usually do it. So at two trades, I'll just take out one of the trades and then manage the remaining trade just to see how far we go. But otherwise, I'm happy with how the Friday ended up. Do one thing over and over. You don't know where it's going to actually take you. It's going to take you far. Find a simple strategy, stick with it. Don't care what people say. There are people who tell you supply and demand, support and resistance doesn't work and stuff like that. Fine. I'm not trying to be the best or the ultimate trader in the world, but I'm trying to make money. That's all that I'm trying to do. So let's just see if we can manage this trade. I want to just take out a big portion of this trade, and also just to protect myself. So stop loss moved in just to protect the profit, as well as taking out majority of that position, so that whatever happens, I don't give money back to the market. You do not make money and then give it all back to the market. This is Euro USD on the 1 hour time frame. So I challenge you to just go and look at your charts and see what Euro USD did on Friday, 18th March 2022. In case you think I'm doing magic or something, there's nothing. This is not magic. And I promise you, I'm not even the best trader in the world. At least I don't think I'm the best trader in the world. But I just found something that works for me, and I think you should also just go ahead and find something that works for you. Just stick with that thing. Just stick with that thing. Find one thing that works for you. Stick with that thing. Don't be tempted to like what people do, skip from mentor to mentor, from strategy to strategy, indicator to indicator, system to system. Find one thing that works for you and be disciplined enough to just stick with it. When I entered these trades in the morning, of course you can see there were some hairy moments where you think probably I rushed in too early, or maybe I should have waited at the red zone there. But thank God everything worked out. So collected some money there. Happy to go in the weekend with a smile. Again, this is not to brag. This is not to brag. This video is not to brag or to. That's why I sometimes don't always show the trades that I take. But it's just to motivate you, to inspire you to just find something that you say it's your own, something that you say it's going to work for you, something simple, not so complicated. That's why I trade zone to zone. I can quickly see what's probably happening and I can decide whether I should get in or maybe I should just keep out. So that's the beauty of how I trade. I hope this video inspires you to seek out what probably is going to work for you. Again, I'm not bragging. I'm not saying I'm the best trader in the world. I'm not. I know there are many other traders that I actually look up to who I think are the best traders in the world. But uh, while I'm trading, it's making me money and I am happy. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. If you have any questions, by the way, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer your questions. Otherwise, if you're wondering how does this guy trade, I've posted several videos on this channel. Just go through the channel and you find several videos showing you how I actually trade with this strategy. So if you still have questions, then you can always come back and leave them in the comment section below. Again, if you are looking for a good broker, a reliable broker, I've not had problems with the broker that I use since I started trading. So try them out. The link is in the description box below. You can start with as low as $5. If you are looking to download Forex robots, indicators, books, stuff that you need for your trading, visit the links in the description box below. Otherwise, guys, like the video, share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.